float and sink are two words I want to teach you about today. Float is like when you lie in your swimming pool and you lie on your back and your arms are out and you're full of air and you can float on the water. But if you take a deep breath, like you take with a balloon, and you go, and there's no air inside you, you can sink and go down, down, down. And that's what's very dangerous about drowning, because you get such a fright sometimes, you take a breath, and that's what causes you to sink deep down in the water. So those are the two words that we're going to look at, floating and sinking. And we're going to look what floats and what sinks. Now, I've got different objects in front of me. And I want you to go around, explore, and find things with your bucket and see what's going to float on the water and what's going to go down, deep down, and to the bottom of the water. Oh, and this water's nice and cold. Okay, so let's take a stone. Now, a stone's heavy. So let's see if I drop it in here, it goes right straight to the bottom. Now, if I take this as a magnet and it's heavy, what will happen there? Also to the bottom.
It sinks.
It sinks. And then this is a boat. It's light. Okay,
and
it's
got
filled with air. Right, so it's going to float or sink. It floats. Look how nice that floats. Now, if I take a feather's light. It's not heavy. So will it sink or float? Look at that. It's light, so it stays on the top of the surface of the water. Let's see our keys. Keys are steel, and they're pretty heavy. Are we going to have them floating or sinking? Oh, there they go, right to the bottom. Now this is an aeroplane, but it's made out of steel, and I can tell you it's quite heavy. When you come to school again, you can come and feel it. It's heavy. So will it float or will it sink? Remember, heavy will sink. Light floats. Right. I've got marbles. Marbles are glass. Let's see if they will float or sink. Right to the bottom they go. Now this is a Coca-Cola top, and it's light. It's got no air inside. Well, it's got air inside there. So will it sink or float? Oh, look at that. It's floating. Now, if I take a balloon and I blow it, remember, filled with air, and I make a knot. Right. If you can't make a knot, ask Mummy to make a nice knot for you. Now, remember, it's filled with air, so it's now light. Will it sink or float? Oh, look at that. Sinking, so it
floats.
It floats. So get a couple of balloons for your bath tonight and play with some balloons in the bath. And then if you put some water in, see what happens.
They stay on top of the surface.
Great. Now that is your sinking, things that sink and things that float on water. See what you can find.